Your photos are technically perfect, but they still don't stand out. The problem isn't sharpness or exposure, it's that your subject lacks connection. Today I'll show you 3 easy ways to create connection with your subject so your audience remembers your photographs for days, weeks, or even years. Alright guys, we're about to flip 3 invisible switches. One changes how you're seen, one changes how energy moves in the frame, and the other one unlocks relationships. I'll reveal them one at a time. Okay, part 1. Eye connection. Many of us wear camouflage to hide from our subjects. That's okay if you want to create a scene. But if you want to create images that move people, you need to have a connection. Connection with your subject. Think about a conversation. If you are speaking to someone and you don't look at them in the eye or they don't look at you in the eye, do you create any kind of connection between the two of you? I don't think so. It's the same with wildlife photography. If you hide from your subject never meets you. If your subject never meets you, your subject never connects with you. If your subject doesn't connect with you, your images will never connect with your audience. Good news is that this is a very simple thing to fix. Here is how you fix it. Don't hide from your subject. Trust me, they have super sharp senses and they know that you're there. In fact, stand in the position where the wind is blowing towards them, not towards you. This way, they will smell that you're there and they will accept how close you can come to them or how far they want you to be. All you have to do is stay calm, steady, natural. And if they don't want you to get close, they will slowly but surely either start walking away, if it's a predator, will attack you, or they will run away themselves. They will let you know. It's an invisible language that your wildlife subject will speak with you if you let them know that you're there. And once you have determined that distance, keep looking at them through your lens. Don't just look at them without looking through the camera. Sooner or later, they will check in. They will check in to see if you're a threat to them or you're not. And the minute they turn their faces up and look at the camera, click, click. That's your moment. That is the connection because they are connecting to see if you're a threat or you're not a threat. And that connection, it is priceless. That is what you want to capture. You will feel it, and so will your audience. Okay, but here's the thing. If the animal shows any kind of stress, back off. It's not your territory, it's theirs. Let them choose the distance. Let them be the one to tell you how close you can get to them. Connection is invited. It's never ever forced. Next, I am going to show you how to turn motion into connection. Alright guys, part 2. Subject action. Our subconscious mind loves to finish tasks. So if you show action on one side of the frame and on the other side of the frame, you show clarity where it's going to end, our subconscious mind will attempt to finish the action by filling in the blanks. When our subconscious mind fills in the blanks, our brains get involved. And if our brains get involved, we get involved. And we create emotions internally with the subject finishing the task. That keeps us connected to the subject. Here's the trick. Give the action a destination. Let me show you a few examples and you'll see how to fix it. Don't show this horse running by itself. Show how and where it's going to land up. Pick a direction, right to left or left to right. Give a finishing clue in the frame. Maybe some water, maybe some sand, maybe some tree, maybe something, or maybe just clouds. Leave lead room in front of the subject so the viewer's eye can imagine when it's going to travel from one side to the other side. Like there's gotta be enough space for the animal or your subject to travel. Here's how it looks in the frame. These horses are running from right to left. I have included an open path in front of the horse so your brain can finish the run. This way, you stay connected not just to the motion but to the story. So all I'm saying to you is if you leave lead room towards where the subject is running, then your brain is going to finish the task. Next, we are going to turn interaction into curiosity. Set a pattern and then break it. Alright guys, part number 3. Our brains love patterns, and the moment we see something that is out of a pattern, we get curious. Curiosity helps people stay inside your frame. Here's the trick. Your job as a photographer is to set the pattern and then break it in a meaningful way so that your audience wonders how it ends or how it began. Good news, we can do that very easily. This is how you fix the curiosity gap. Alright, set a pattern. So what do I mean by that? As humans, we have seen images again and again and again and again. And all those images, whether we know this or not, all those images sit in our brain. So if I say to you, cars on a bridge, your brain is going to show you this, or this. If I say to you, a busy street with businessmen walking, your brain is going to show you this, or this. And if I say to you, 2 trumpeter swans, your brain is going to show you this, or this. But wait, what if I change one of those swans to doing something that's out of the pattern that you know in your brain? Something unexpected. In that instant, I have interrupted your brain pattern. Your brain now asks, why is the swan doing that? Since your brain is doing the work, it remembers. Now you have a memorable image. That's how you create curiosity inside a brain. All you have to do is show them a pattern and then break it just a tad bit. Like in this one, and this one. Alright, so now you've learned the 3 invisible switches: eye connection, subject action, and curiosity. Each one alone is very powerful. But when you put them together, that's when your photos just stand out. Remember, with the eye connection, the subject sees you, you click. With the action, you show your subject where the subject is going to land up. The brain fills in the gap. You win. Curiosity, set a pattern and then change something in that pattern. Bang! The brain works. You win. Then you take all these 3 things, if you can, put them together in one image, and you have an image that is just absolutely unforgettable. And here's something I want you guys to know. Technically perfect images are awesome, but they are not memorable. These images that create curiosity, images that let the brain work with the image, makes for an unforgettable image. And you know what? They may forget a technically perfect image, but they will never ever forget how that image makes them feel. And the only way you can make your audience feel with your subject is to get them involved. Get their brains involved. Okay guys, now you've learned connecting to your subject, but is the light that you choose also helping you connect to your subject? Watch this video on spot metering. I'll show you how to create the light connection you need. Alright guys, until the next time, I'll speak to you guys soon. Thank you.